All right. Well, finally, here we have John working at Barnes and Noble and earning $8.25 per hour. He works 60 hours a week, so we want to find his net earnings for a month. Okay. So let's figure it out for a week before we figure out the gross income for a month. We know that he earns or works 60 hours a week. 40 of those hours are regular. So that's going to be 40 times his hourly rate. Then he has 60 minus 40, 20 hours that are overtime. So we take those 20 hours times his rate times time and a half. And that gives us $247.50. Okay, we add those together, and per week he makes $577.50 times 4 means his gross income is $2,310. Now let's figure out what his Social Security tax is. So we take 2310 and we multiply it by 0.062, and that comes out to be $143.22. Then we take $2,310 and we multiply it by 0.0145 to get the Medicare tax. That'll round out to be $33.50 because the 5 bumps up the 9, which bumps up the 4. Then we are going to take 2310 and multiply it by 0.109 to get the average federal income tax withholding, $251.79. Okay. So now let's figure out his net earnings. We're going to ignore this question right here. What is the amount of income tax? Because we already figured that out right there. So what is John's net earnings for the month? Well, we're going to take his gross income, $2,310, and we're going to subtract out his Social Security. We're going to subtract out his Medicare, and we're going to subtract out his federal income tax withholding. That comes out to be $1,881.49.